Alright guys, so first let's clean the lens off. Working on a 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to be doing some wheel hubs, pretty obvious actually. So we have some used ones here that came in from Uncle Tom and Cousin Tom for me, but doing this for Cousin Dale. And we cleaned this up, put some anti-seize on here, and we're gonna pull the wheels off on both sides and just replace the hub, so stay tuned. So next we need to take off the brake caliper. Since we're going to remove the whole thing, just hang her up. Right up there on the jolly. 13er. Just want to be careful. These are kind of old. Surprised if this actually comes out easy. Yeah, I don't think so. Let's get the pry bar. Okay. There we go. Yep. Cool. You get your 35, and you grab your impact. You pull that. 13. Yep, it's the 13. Okay. Quiet, Arnold. So because this side is so rusted, we're just gonna try a little bit of MAP gas. We'll run it on here, see if we can break the rust free from it. Yeah! Just enough. That one wasn't locked in place too hard. We're almost out of it. All right, so we're gonna leave those bolts there. I wanna see if we can just ask it nice. So this hub's getting replaced anyway. Let's just try to tap a little bit. And then we'll try tapping here. And then, whoop. There we go. It's coming a little bit. We're just gonna hit all around it. I'll give you a side angle. You can see, let's watch it separate. See that? That's what we want. There we go. So let's take this out and put it off to the side. Easy. That one's in most of the way, so let's bring it back here. And I'm kind of cutting your guys' adventure off. I'm sorry, but all right. Then we'll stick that back on. Where are we at? Oh, cool. Let's get a new cotter pin. Brand spanking new cotter pin. That way. It's good. I kind of want to do something real quick though with this. So I'm going to show you guys something that you've already seen 100,000 times, but I'm going to promote some product. Boom! This is ProSource non-chlorinated brake cleaner. Boom. Good stuff. Did I put that on backwards? I did. Looks like we're doing it over. Fixed it. Cutscene. Alright. Yep. This piece is going to rub on the bottom of the caliper, and we don't want that, so we're gonna tap the dust shield out of the way. Make sure that it doesn't rub. So we're good. So we'll have to do it again. Industrial use only. While we're here, this is unacceptable, so we're gonna grease these. Emotional damage! We'll be back. Ooh. To be honest, those slide pin boots need replaced, but for now, we're just gonna schmoo. I'll just take these back off, but we're just gonna temporarily do this. Now let's double check. Yep. This way. Hopefully the caliper's not seized, because that doesn't feel like it rides too good on there. So we're just gonna double check these. It's good. It's good. A little more. It's good. Put the tire on, go to the other side. Here we are. Alrighty. The tire's off. Okay, those need to come out. So we got, I think this is some kind of spring washer. Cool. Let me just put that back. Fine. It's good. All right, guys. All we have left is to put the wheel on. We'll call it good. We need to check these ball joints, but like and subscribe, y'all. Thanks for watching.